I am Diana and he is Sergio, and we are going to talking about the logic gate. In 1854, the British mathematical George Boole represent a mathematical system of logic analysis known as Boolean algebra. The algebra, the Boolean algebra consists in a mathematical array of 0 and 1. If the state is 1, it means that the state is high, and if the state is 0, it is mean that the state is low. This algebra is used full for programmer and electronics.
The logic gates are electronic circuits formed internally by transistors that meet special arrangements which provide voltage signal as the result or an output in Boolean form are obtained by binary logic operations, for example, sum, multiplication, etc. They also deny, affirm, include, or exclude according to the logic properties. These gates can be applied into other areas of science, for example, mechatronics, electronics, pneumatics, hydraulics, etc.
So the positive logic is that activity by a high signal represented a binary 1, and a low signal is disactivated represented by binary 0.
Um, the gate NAND also referred to as the needed and this gate work contrary for the gate and since having no entries in one or only one of them, it grants a 1 in its output, but if it has all its input in 1, the output is present with a 0.
So in our gate, in Boolean algebra, it is a sum. This gate allows any of the inputs to have a state 1. The output will reach a state 1. It can be represented for two switches in parallel, regardless of which on if activity to page of current will be possible. We have XOR gate. Two, also called or exclusive OR. This acts as a binary sum of the digit each, and the result of the sum will be the output. Another way to see it that with equal input values, the output status is 0, and with different input values, the output will be 1.
Now, total gate is the gate none, and this case only has one input and one output. Till before everything that arrives at its entrance will be inverse at its exit. It acts as an inverter.
We have everyday example. We can see the component on different device. For example, laptops, radios, TVs, microwaves, and clocks. The clock is a very example because it's a array of the logic gate. So represent we show a video that explain the logic gate in Proteus.
Conclusion, this process is very important because we can know the origin of the function. The Boolean algebra is useful to convert the signal analogic for digital signal.